Good morning, first class. How are you all? Hope you all have finished your previous chapter's work. And today we are going to start with a new chapter of this English book, and its name is The Market. So, what is a market? What do you understand by market? Market क्या होती है? आप क्या समझते हो market से? Market is a place where we go and buy something, like we buy fruits and vegetables, we buy clothes, we buy toys, or furniture or anything. So market is a place where we go and buy something which we want, right? So this story is about brother and sister whose name is Amit and Nina. They went to the market with their father, and what happened there? Let's start with the story. This is our neighborhood market. नेबरहुड मार्केट का मतलब क्या होता है? वो मार्केट जो बिल्कुल हमारे घर के पास में हो, नेबरहुड, घर के पास की मार्केट. देयर आर मेनी शॉप्स इन दिस मार्केट. इस मार्केट में बहुत सारी शॉप्स हैं. पीपल कम हेयर टू बाय थिंग्स. लोग क्या करने आते हैं? यहाँ पे आते हैं चीजें खरीदने के लिए. बाय मतलब खरीदना. अमित एंड नीना वेंट टू द मार्केट विद देयर फादर. और अमित और नीना दोनों ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर हैं, वो मार्केट गए किसके साथ? अपने फादर के साथ. दे वेंट टू द मार्केट विद देयर डैड. दे वर इन अ टॉय शॉप. और कौन सी शॉप में गए वो? टॉय शॉप. टॉय शॉप इज अ शॉप वेयर यू बाय लॉट्स ऑफ टॉयज. इट्स किड्स फेवरेट शॉप. अमित बॉट एन एरोप्लेन एंड नीना बॉट अ टॉय बेयर. तो अमित ने क्या बाय किया? अमित ने एक एरोप्लेन बाय किया, और नीना ने क्या बाय किया? एक बेयर बाय किया, टॉय बेयर. They came out of the toy shop. Do you want anything more? asked their father. Father ने पूछा कि तुमको कुछ और चाहिए? You want anything more? Yes, Amit replied. I want to buy some chocolates for myself. तो अमित ने बोला yes, I want to have something else. What he wanted to have? He wanted to have some chocolates. Nina also started jumping. I would like to have an ice cream. Now what Nina wanted to have? She wanted to have an आइसक्रीम. उसको क्या लेनी थी? आइसक्रीम लेनी थी. Their father took them to a confectionery shop and got them chocolates and ice cream. Now what is confectionery shop? Confectionery shop is a place where you get chocolates, ice cream. So confectionery shop is a place where we buy cakes, pastries, chocolates, ice cream. वो सब मिलता है वहाँ पे. All the sweet things you want, you get it on the confectionery शॉप. सो उनके फादर उनको कहाँ ले गए? कन्फेक्शनरी शॉप पे, टू गेट देम आइसक्रीम्स एंड चॉकलेट्स. देन दे वेंट टू अ ग्रीन ग्रोसर. फिर उसके बाद कहाँ गए वो? ग्रीन ग्रोसर के पास. अ पर्सन हु सेल्स वेजिटेबल्स. ग्रीन ग्रोसर कौन होता है? जो वेजिटेबल सेल करता है. दे बॉट पोटेटोज, अनियन एंड कैबेजेस. क्या लिया उन्होंने? पोटेटो लिए, अनियंस और कैबेज लिया. दे ऑल्सो बॉट बनानाज एंड मैंगो. सो वॉट ऑल दे बॉट? दे बॉट a aeroplane, and what else they bought? They bought toy bear. Then they bought some ice cream and chocolates, and then they went to a green grocer. और क्या लिया उन्होंने? आलू, प्याज, गोभी, bananas and mangoes. Their father paid the bill, and the children helped their father to carry the bags back home. So what happened? उसके बाद में फादर ने बिल पे किया, जो लिया उसके लिए मनी दिया. बिल पे करना मतलब मनी देना, जो चीज़ हमने ली है उसके लिए. और चिल्ड्रन ने क्या किया? अपने फादर की हेल्प करी बैग्स को उठा के घर ले जाने में. सो दे वर वेरी नाइस किड्स. दे हेल्प देयर फादर. आप भी अपने फादर और मदर की हेल्प करते हो ना घर के हाउस चोर्स में? सो लाइक दैट दे हेल्प देयर फादर. मदर वॉज हैप्पी टू सी चिल्ड्रन हेल्प. एंड उनकी जब वो घर वापस आए तो मदर को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये देख के कि अमित और नीना ने अपने फादर की हेल्प करी सामान उठाने में, टू कैरी दी बैग्स. So now let's start with the question answers. There are many dash in the market, many shops in the market. Amit wanted to have chocolates. Nina bought a toy bear. Amit and Nina went with their father to the market. Mother was happy with the children as they were helping their father. वो father की help कर रहे थे. Now look at the pictures and complete the sentences in one word. This is a, what is this? This is a shop. It is a toy shop. Nina bought an dash from the confectionery shop. क्या लिया उसने वहाँ से? She bought an ice cream. They bought dash from the green grocer shop. क्या लिया था उन्होंने? They bought onion, potatoes and cabbage. Where did the children go? बच्चे कहाँ गए थे? Children went to the market with their father. वो कहाँ गए थे? मार्केट गए थे अपने फादर के साथ. What did Amit buy from the toy shop? Amit bought an aeroplane from the toy shop. Which vegetable did they buy? They bought potatoes, onions and cabbages. How did the children help? Children helped their father to carry bags back home. उन्होंने अपने फादर की बैग्स उठाने में हेल्प करी थी. How was their mother happy? Mother was happy to see the children help. उनके बच्चों ने अपने फादर की हेल्प करी तो mother was very happy to see the children help their father. Look at the pattern and complete the blanks. As shop is to market, so is tree to the shop. कहाँ पे होती है? मार्केट में होती है ना. ऐसी ट्रीज कहाँ पे होते हैं? फॉरेस्ट में होते हैं. As bird is to air, so is fish to. बर्ड जो है वो एयर में, हवा में उड़ती है, स्काई में उड़ती है. तो फिश कहाँ पे रहती है? वाटर में. As grass is to cow, काउ जो है वो ग्रास ईट करती है. तो मीट कौन ईट करता है? लायन जो है वो मीट ईट करता है. As sun is to day, so moon is to night. सन जो है वो डे में आता है तो मून कब आता है? नाइट में. As rose is to flower, रोज जो है वो फ्लावर है ना, so mango is to fruit. So that's how you need to do this. Add letters to the words to make a new word. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे letters दिए हुए, alphabets दिए हुए, आपको उन alphabets को यहाँ पे fill करके new word बनाना. You can make word of your own, right? I have made these words. You can make your own word, but it has to be meaningful, right? Now discuss the words aloud. Read the differences. Discuss the differences. This is ear, E-A-R, ear. Ear मतलब कान. This is ear, Y-E-A-R, ear. दोनों को ear बोलते हैं, लेकिन दोनों की spelling different है और meaning भी different है. This is bear, B-E-A-R, bear, and this is B-A-R-E, bear. नंगे पाँव, barefoot, बिना slippers के. This is flour, F-L-O-U-R, flour मतलब आटा जो हम खाते हैं. This is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, ये फूल है. So all the words ear, ear, bear, bear, flower, flower, they have same pronunciation, they have same sound, but they have different spellings and different meaning. These are called homophones. Homophones are those words which have same meaning, same sounds, but have different meaning and different spellings. So ear, ear, bear, bear, flower, flower. Now circle the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U. Now I have told you that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. आपको वो word circle करने हैं जो इन sound से begin हो रहे हैं. Ink pot begins with I. It is a vowel. Ink pot को circle करेंगे. Then O, U, A, E. B is not a vowel. P is not a vowel, and G is not a vowel. So we will not circle these three words. Use an with words beginning with A, E, I, O, U, and use A with the other words. Now we have done this already, right? तो aeroplane के आगे क्या put करेंगे हम? An. What will we put with before city? A, because it is a consonant. Before orange, an. It is a vowel. Before lotus, A, because it is a consonant. Before eagle, an. Before ice cream, an, because these are vowels. Before clown, A. Before umbrella, an. Before pen, A. Now look at the picture given below and frame a sentence on each. Ab now you have to do this. One I have done this for you, and now you have to write it on your own words. आपको जो लिखना है आप लिखो, but it has to be meaningful. Now this is a mango. Now you can frame a sentence on mango. Mango is a very tasty fruit, or mango is a king of fruits, right? Mango is of yellow color. I love to eat mango. And this is a boy. You can write something about this boy. This is a forest. You can write something about this. This is a road. This is books. So you can make your own sentences. Now with this you have to color only the fruits out of the ones given below, right? यहाँ पे आपको fruits को जो है वो color करना है. So there are vegetables also. आपको vegetables को exclude करना है और सिर्फ fruits को color करना है, right? This is your homework. You need to do on your own. And this composition also you need to do it on your own.